All right, so we have some pretty cool new features. One new feature is an idea that we got from Sean in the group, who wanted an interface to be able to talk with AI and essentially build everything out. So now if you log in, you have this AI assistant, and it can create campaigns, show you how your campaigns are doing, or it can also help you onboard. If you want to start setting up some new buyers, new campaigns, it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to set this up from scratch or an existing campaign? Let's do a new campaign. And what type of leads do you work with? Let's just say I'm doing home services. It's going to ask you a few questions. How many buyers? I have one buyer. Where do you get your leads from? My own ads. It's essentially asking you all the questions so that it'll help you actually create it. Okay, does everything look good? Yes, create it. And you just hit approve. So before creating anything, it's going to get your approval just to make sure everything looks good. Home services, round robin, status is active. And look at that. Now it actually completed and created your campaign. So now if I go over here, home services national. So it's one of these. Yeah. So home services national, I think it's this one here. This one's fresh and brand new. And now you have your campaign. So you can literally go in here, how many leads did I get the last 7 days? Whatever it is, you can ask your AI assistant to get information. Also, a nice little feature here is you can see how your onboarding progress is doing. You can also leave feedback or report a bug. And the other cool thing is there's reporting now. So if you go in here, you can get reports by campaign, supplier, state, your metrics, cost per lead, revenue, total cost, leads, conversions, margins, profit, all of that. You can get reports directly in here. So if I do this, yeah, you can see that. You can get a report like that. And then the last thing I wanted to highlight really quick is if you go to the campaign, let's go to one of these campaigns here. And if I click edit, here where it says email, we have two ways to send emails. One of them is to use this template version. So you can just update this, best agency here. You can put first name, last name, name. You can also add other fields, like I'm going to map state here. So it's going to add state. And it's just a nice way to send emails that's already, has a nice UX design, clean, simple. Or you can always do a custom HTML email here. But again, this makes it super easy for you to send emails using that template. And the other thing that's coming soon is reorder reminders, so that you just check this off. It'll send your buyer reminders when they're at like 75% of their total cap to rebuy leads, so you can start that conversation. And there's a few other cool things. Insights in here. So if your leads and your buyers are using their client portal and leaving notes in there, you can hit analyze, and it'll look at all the unqualified, not qualified leads from the client portal, all their notes, and give you an analysis on why the leads aren't converting, so that you can improve your lead quality, which is huge, because if you improve lead quality, your buyers are going to have more conversions, and they're going to want to rebuy at even higher volumes if your campaigns are performing really well. So those are some of the big updates, and stay tuned for more that's coming soon.